Like for gold, the only move that like looked good in this entire chop here has been this morning at 5:15
Mm-hmm.
to take it. Other than that, it's just like it's too much in the range or whatever. So
Yeah. No, it's got to get out of that chop, dude. It's got to. Sorry, I'm getting everything set up on my end.
no, you're all good. Just chatting.
Okay. Brett and Hudson, man, the committed ones,
Always the first ones.
always first. Always first. Love it. It's gonna pay off.
Yeah, we'll check news, see what we got for. I think there is maybe one red folder today. I mean, we can peep Forex Factory. Oh no, never mind.
No?
Nothing.
Yeah. Still some news. It's all. I mean, never mind. I forget I have this only set up on USD now. Yeah, Thursday we got unemployment and Friday, so we'll have a lot of movement.
There should be more movement. Um, and NQ always picks up here around. Oh, where are you at? Sorry, I'm trying to look. You had 7:30 last night, or at 9:30 last night. NQ just printed a 330 pip candle.
Oh, dude, when we hopped off like at 8:45, right at 9. No, right at like
Yeah, it
yeah,
would have been right at
8
9.
850 on gold. It melted like 200 candles out of nowhere. It's like, oh,
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
right here. Wait,
Yeah. Just a violent move for no reason.
for no reason.
Uh,
Oh, this. Hate that this is on military time. Hmm. I can't ever do the math in my head. It's
I
stupid.
know. I just got so used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, gold just printed a. Oh.
I need to get the sunlight coming in here.
Dude, I do love that it's been getting light so much earlier
Yeah.
and staying light past 3 p.m.
Yeah. No, again,
Right, there's
dusk
somewhere.
around 5 is depressing.
Mhm.
Jeez, I'm just rallying up on NQ.
Yeah. I was like, hopefully we can get something.
Yeah, I like that we're getting up out of that.
Yep. But then it's also kind of like, where are we even going?
Right. Yeah, it's one of those like I like that we're getting out of it, but let's get a pull back and then continue to move up so we know where to take it into.
Or that it's, yeah, easier to.
So you don't have to do one of these.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, yeah, I see. I guess support all the way over there.
yeah.
It's like, yeah, I guess I'll use support from the 8th of February. All right.
Yeah.
For a 15-minute candle.
And I'm gonna get in and out of in 5 minutes.
Yeah. You said how long was Jeff on his work trip?
He got back last night, so
Oh, dang.
went over the weekend till Tuesday, Tuesday morning. He should be on.
Mhm.
So we give it to like 7:30. We can.
Yeah.
Or we can do it now.
Yeah, because there'll be nothing here.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can pray real quick and we can then do a top down, just chat about it.
Yeah.
Alrighty, dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you for these guys and just this opportunity, Lord, that we've been given. Lord, continue to give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning. We just ask for your guidance in all aspects of life. Lord, continue to close doors that need to be closed. And just help us listen and be able to hear you as you speak to us. Lord, we love you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Alrighty. Let's do a top down. So gold here. We're up about 5,200, and previous daily closed up bearish. We've made our bottom wick on the current daily, and we're pushing up. I really do. I've been saying this all week, and I mean, it's playing out, but I think we continue up to, up into 5,400 with people just hedging against inflation. I think assets are going to continue to go up, and gold is without a doubt an asset. So I think we continue up. So, based off the 4 hour previous did close bearish. It closed for the most part respecting this level here at 51.94. Did close below, but I do like the fact that we grabbed those lows, and we're rejecting out of this level, and these supports over at 51.76. So that, to me, it gives. I'm just bullish this morning on gold, for the most part. You see, we're grabbing those lows like we did there, even after closing down below on the hour. Partly due to the fact that we're just in this chop and price is rejecting out of it. So let's look at the 30. Fixing to get, or no, not yet. We still got another 15 minutes, but see how this 30 wants to close up. Previous close weak, bearish, rejecting that level as well. So I think we continue to head up into that 52.12 range this session. 15-minute is ripping up. You got one bearish candle, so we got to be careful. Make sure the 15 is not overextended. If we do want to take buys above this level, I have set into 52.13. So
Yeah.
realistically, this looks the best on the 30. But until we get up above this level and then some fresh support, or maybe even, we hang out. There's one meditation. Maybe we hang out here, print a couple red candles or something, hang out below this, and then, come New York Open, get a closure above, and we can take, we've got this range right here to take. Buys coming up into this level over here. So that's what I'm looking for on gold. Sells.
I like that.
Sells. I'd want to see the 4 hour to really start coming back down. So sells below this level, for me, be about right here on the 15. Closure below on the 15. Maybe even something up above at 52.02. But then again, we're still like, this is just a lot of chop. So um, even with sales below this level, it's even more chop. So it's tricky. We just need to get up. We need to rally in whatever direction. So that's what I like on gold. Let's go to NQ. All right. NQ, we have just rallied since last night. Daily pushing up, previous close strong bullish, bottom wick, continuing up. We do have, these levels right here, over here at 25, 140 to about 150, to where that is a heavy level. Right here, we're running into a previous support, so that could be a resistance now, but I think we can still continue up though if we get a closure up above that. So 4-hour also previous closed up bullish here. Get rid of a lot of these. Previous close up bullish, ripping up, not much of a bottom wick. Not the biggest deal though. I mean, that's still a bottom wick. Especially when you got the hour printing candles like that. That was a healthy previous hour close. We grabbed those highs. We're coming back down right now. So we'll see how we're kind of running out of steam here, it seems, on the 30-minute and the hour coming into this previous level of support. It could be resistance now. So, I'm not opposed to sells here actually. If we do get a bearish closure here, a care package off the 15, so
And yeah, it would be an exhaustion play off the 30 too.
yeah, exactly.
I really like it.
So yeah, if we get that closure right there, we've still got 10 minutes left in this candle, but I think we need a pullback, a bit of a pullback here to if we want to continue up. And yeah, we ran into some heavy support looking left. So yeah, I mean right here, this used to be last time we were in this area over here, it's the 5th of February, which is forever ago, but still price will still react to some of those levels. So let's see if we get this closure right here.
I hate that it's doing this with 8 minutes left in it, but
I know. Like
we'll see what it.
Right there.
Yep.
7:30 would be great.
Yep. Yeah, because I like the 15 if it, yeah, 90 pips.
Mm-hmm.
And then probably move break even.
125, 124.
Break even.
About 25, 123 right there.
Yeah. And that's something too, is moving counter trend or moving break even whenever it's a counter trend trade is a is a really good thing, even if
Yeah.
it's a little premature,
Mm-hmm.
because you are going counter trend. At least for me, that's one thing that I've
Definitely.
so. But yeah, we'll see if we get it. It's kind of just hanging around.
I know. We'll see. See.
$200 trillion of digital capital backed by digital credit in exchange for 0% of my company, Microchip. You haven't explained how I make money, which is the most important thing, because there's no chance I can make money. First, we had Bitcoin, which is digital capital. Now we have strategy pioneering digital credit. In the future, we're going to have digital money. We issue shares of our common stock to pay the dividend of our preferred equities. Then we use our different preferred equities to pay for the dividends of their other preferred equities. Let's leave all the passion and all this.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the 30 is just too overextended. I wouldn't mind this off the 15 if it closed up like not that bearish, but
Oh, for buys.
yeah,
Yeah.
just like
Yeah, it's tricky. I think it just needs to. You can't
he
make
needs to
decisions.
figure out some stuff.
Uh-huh.
Dude just hopped on Instagram. First thing I'm getting is because I had my YouTube pull up Trump State of the Union. So now everything on my feed is Trump State of the
Yeah.
Union.
Some of the other stuff we kind of missed. He said later on were pretty funny.
Really?
Yeah, he's like, stand if you're for U.S. citizens first over illegal aliens. And none of the Dems stood, and he just like kind of pointed at him. He's like, they won't even stand for you Americans, or something like that. It was a complete like gotcha moment though. He's like, y'all won't even. I feel like this is a pretty simple. Yeah, American citizens over illegal aliens.
Yeah.
Put them first. You sound like Michael Jackson.
Dude, but you're right.
I guess my impression was off.
Uh, that's too funny that he was.
Exactly.
Was it that bad? That bad, Trump?
No, it wasn't that far off, actually. When Trump does that soft tone, I've always thought it sounded a little like Michael Jackson.
Yeah. No, it kind of does. But I'll probably never do it again because I don't want to sound like Michael Jackson.
Nah, don't be scared of public humiliation, bro. It's all a part of life.
uh, that's
So
funny.
yeah, what else was he saying too then?
Well, he said like we need to ban political stock trading, and they all stood up for that. He's like, I bet Nancy Pelosi wouldn't. Doubt it. I doubt it.
Oh my gosh. That was actually the craziest thing too. Because she ripped up like Trump's papers the other
Yeah,
last,
we need
I
the
say
last day
last
to
time.
even. Oh,
Was
dude,
it
she's
last
so
time?
fired up. She's such a. Uh,
Yeah. But
Man, I don't want to self-diagnose myself, but I just looked up on chat. What are the symptoms of having mold in your house? Sneezing, running your stuffy nose, itchy or watery eyes, coughing, post-nasal drip, scratchy throat, headaches, fatigue, skin irritation. I never had bad allergies this time of the year, and all of a sudden, dude, just
really, I
got
feel like this is prime allergy time too.
not for me. For me, it's when pollen is up and about.
Hmm. How do you test for mold? Or like,
You
I
have
say,
someone. You have to pay like $300 for someone to come to your house and test for.
what where's Cade? See if we could get old
Yeah,
Chris out there. You know?
no kidding. Yeah, we have like. I mean, it said signs in home: peeling paint or bubbling drywall, past flooding or leaks, visible. It's like our paint's starting to peel in the kitchen.
Dang.
I'm probably just gonna have to call him today.
Chris,
No, that or the property management company, because they're just gonna have to test for mold. It's gonna have to come out of the homeowner's pocket or whatever budget they have for that.
you know,
But golly, man,
just can't breathe.
no,
Don't sound stuffy, so that's, I guess,
that's
good.
good. It's just like throat.
You know,
I don't know.
self-diagnosed.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's valid though. Uh-huh.
Hasn't your little brother had strep? You didn't go around him, did you?
No, but I was. What makes me kind of think it is though is like a couple weekends ago I was down bad. I thought I had the flu, but I tested negative. But they still gave me flu meds, and I kicked it within like a couple days, and now it's just like it keeps coming back. I don't know. Could just be allergies, and I'm being a wuss.
Just eat a bunch of hot sauce, dude.
Yeah, figure me out.
Get some of those peppers again.
Yeah, just burned out of you.
Yeah, I got a couple like habanero sauces from Walmart, and I even had some yesterday for dinner, and it just lit me up, and it didn't do anything.
Just in straight pain from it. Nothing good.
I'll be back. Get closure back above here.
Yeah, and really for me, it's as long as it's up above on NQ on the 15, as long as it's up above that 25, 125, and that little support. A little. Yeah. For me, that's where I'm looking at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saying like getting in before, or if it closes like that on the next candle, expecting it to grab those highs. Got a 30-minute to reflip.
Yeah. Because we'll have an hour closure here in 15 minutes. I'd ideally love if it printed another one.
Yeah.
CGC looking.
Did you see Nick's trade from yesterday?
I don't know if I did. I haven't been on my phone too much.
I was thinking about, I was like 50-50 on taking that. But it's just like it didn't technically close above that support. And it didn't have much. It had like a 23 tick bottom wick, which is right now it's not much in this market.
On what? Gold and Q?
On gold.
Let me go look at him.
I mean, I can point it out too.
Did he post it?
Yeah. It's on like TTE profits now.
Oh, okay.
But it was this play right here. I mean, it did close fine and up above for the most part. Like he took it off the break of this high.
Hmm.
But it just like came down quick, made a 24 tick bottom wick. That's what they took it up into. I don't know.
What time was that?
This was like, what's that? Military time, 15.
That's 3 p.m.
Dude, my charts are jacked because
Dude,
that
I
is
think
not.
that is not, yeah. Like that one, it makes sense.
It's not right.
Oh, you're in UTC. You need to go to
Oh gosh.
no, go to Chicago. Up. It was up. It was up. It was up. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. That should hopefully fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's right
right
at
it. Yeah. I mean,
just for me, like maybe if it was like this candle bottom wick, yeah. Just I don't know.
um, No, NQ, what are you doing? It just wants to keep like moving in a direction with no top or bottom wick. On the 15. Where are you going to eat with your aunt?
We're going to see what she decided on. I kind of want to cancel, but I'm not going to. I'm just not. Do not feel good enough to go.
Yeah.
Maki or wait, Petra Cafe.
Oh, so like just like coffee or something? Or is it
It's a lunch spot, but yeah, I'm sure there's coffee as well.
Petro?
Yeah, Petra.
Is it in Fayetteville?
Yeah.
Petro Cafe? Oh, it's like downtown.
Oh, nice. Of course, that's where she wants to go. Sorry.
It's always where the women want to go, man.
Yeah.
They always got to be in the action.
They got to be in the action, man, and this just makes them feel so inclusive and fun. It does look pretty good though. It's just like an old school cafe.
Old school cafe with
Yeah, they're not too old school about that. Oh wow, they're really. It's Fayetteville, man. You got to, dude. You got no other option.
yeah.
Kid, you definitely have every option to not do that. That looks shmoney.
Dude, I love a good toasted bun.
Yeah. Oh, they got a macro. Okay, let's check the macros on some of these. See what should I get?
700 calories, 20 grams of protein. That's what you want to have.
We need the mayo platter. We off regular. 900 calories, 45 grams protein. I mean, dude, I eat about 2.5 meals a day. I gotta get to that 3,000 threshold, and if I don't, I'll
For calories?
wait. Yeah.
Holy cow, NQ just ripped up. But you know about him.
How many calories do you try to get in a day?
I never look at cows. I look at
I don't really either.
I look at protein.
Yeah. I mean, when you're trying to get as many grams of protein as you can, you typically do hit your like maintenance calorie threshold. But I think you can also get away with having a high protein diet and being under your maintenance calories and still building muscle.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
And that's
kind of where you want to be.
And sometimes that's where I try to operate a little bit.
Yeah.
But because I have no problem smoking 8,000 calories in a day.
Yeah.
But it's whether there was enough protein in it. And how much, because I just make sure I get enough exercise to.
See, like someone made this with AI, you can tell. Like,
Yeah.
oh, wait. I might be looking at the wrong Petra. I know it's Fayetteville, yeah.
It just takes you to LA.
Yeah. Chat with AI about this item. Okay.
How is this sandwich? That's insane.
I know. Oh, so it's a salad? That's gay.
Mayo platter.
Maybe I just get the gyro meat falafel with 20 grams protein.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, all these are.
This is the only,
high protein.
Let's go to the menu. We got a closure.
Yeah, I mean, NQ just is now going to close all sorts of wonky, and then
Yeah. Gold's
just doing gold things at the moment.
In that chop. Yeah.
Running side by side. So, track it. So is it like? Oh, what's the word I'm looking for?
Wait, today's Wednesday. It's the mayo platter. Perfect. It's the daily special.
There you go.
Serve with a cup of soup.
Split pea soup.
Need that since I'm just kind of feeling a little down,
Oh yeah, you just gonna want the chicken.
Oh, it's freaking Petra. It's a bunch of Arabs.
That's what I was like, was it?
I don't know what
Nationality or thing?
What is that? Islam? I don't know.
Islamic.
Are they Jewish?
I don't know what picture. Let's see.
I think it's Greek, actually.
Yeah, that's the word. It was like Mediterranean was the word I was thinking of.
Mediterranean. Good tzatziki's.
Yeah. Tzatziki's is good. I just feel like I've never once left Tzatziki's been like, yep, I'm full.
No. For the price, too, it's just like...
Yeah, it's light on like it's very light, which I mean is good if that's what you're looking for, but um I wanna if I'm having to go pay for food, I wanna leave there feeling like I'm gonna throw up because I ate too much.
Mm-hmm. I gotta get off these
We
mold
can
symptoms, ChatGPT.
do what?
Said I gotta get off these mold, ChatGPT, self-diagnosis.
Oh my goodness.
Whoops, I need to get on the charts. Sorry.
Coffee is now brewing.
Nice. It's a good feeling.
I know. I
Do you have a
definitely
ride today, or you gonna be able to sit
no.
back
I
and enjoy?
got class. I got class. I got a exam today, so
Oh,
that'll be brutal.
I bet
But
it's tough. Like, still technically, like being, it's now you're getting paid to be in class, which is awesome.
yeah,
But like, I bet you're just fed up with having
dude.
exams and
Yes. Well, it's like these exams are something like are these what they call block tests are
yeah,
something I've never had a test like it before.
really,
Yeah, they're just odd. A lot of them are like because they're trying to replicate like what you see, like what we see on the screens downstairs, like in the capsule.
mm,
So asking questions about it. So you're like, okay, I'm kind of confused a little bit on my status. Has this happened? So it's like you just really got to like extra slow down and like understand where you're at within the question and
yeah,
then what they're wanting. Because sometimes it's
yeah, it does sound tricky.
yeah, there's but it's
Sam
all
seems like he's pretty sharp. Like
yeah, he is. He's good at
yeah.
I say he's good at his job.
Now I'm pumped to go to go on the cruise with him.
Yeah,
It'll be fun.
he has no problem. He blacked out on our floor on Halloween.
No way.
Yeah.
Yeah, he seems like he's all or nothing, and I love it.
Yeah, he's yeah. He's something else. I forget even what he was like he was a scientist for Halloween and like he was he got so drunk like he got came back to our crib and like hand up on the wall and was like one of those like breathing before you
Yeah.
throw up
What are you
and
gonna
then
do?
just and I was like oh my gosh but
That's awesome.
yeah.
Counter trend pullback question mark maybe?
Hoping so something that is not just because that's one, two, three candles that we've watched just print with no top or bottom wick.
Yeah.
At least now this candle on NQ is somewhat of a bottom wick, but Let's look at NGC.
I like a closure above 5208 there.
Yeah, for sure.
Take it up into 5213.
Mm-hmm. 100%. Oh. You said it and it ran right up past it.
Sheesh, man.
That's one thing I feel like we never took advantage of in college. Probably because we didn't have any money to go do that.
Yeah.
But like, dude, there's actually like, because I'll see Instagram stuff too, and I'm like, wow, there's actually a lot of good restaurants like in Fayetteville.
Yeah. No, there's plenty. But
It's just whether we had the funds to do that.
no kidding. Yeah, I'm glad we went on all those trips, but at the same time, it's like we could have stacked another, point
0.1
1
Bitcoin
or 2. Yeah, 0.1. Seriously, 0.1 Bitcoin, probably at
at the
least.
time, yeah.
Yeah.
But I would 100% rather have experiences.
Oh, dude. Yeah, we got spoiled. Bad.
Yeah.
Like Colorado, all 4 years, and spring break trips, Florida, Cabo, Las Vegas, NOLA, Nashville.
Vegas was fun.
Vegas was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's funny you mentioned that because Grace was just talking about going back to NOLA. She's like, NOLA was so much fun. I was like, yeah, I guess I was just kind of like, after 2 years back to back in a row of going, I was like, all
Yeah.
right, I'm kind of done with NOLA here for a minute.
I am too. I think I could be content with never going back.
Yeah, no, there's
Too
not
much
like
BS happens there. Like it's not worth it. It's fun, but
when
dude,
you're a
like
college kid.
yeah, I even you walk around the historic whatever they call it, the French Quarters, and you're like, okay, this is cool. I see the ugly river, and now we experience everything we need to experience.
Yeah.
I don't, unless it's like a work trip or something. Like I'm just not gonna go out of my way again to go to NOLA.
Out of every vacation that I could
Right,
take.
out of everywhere.
Yeah, NOLA's probably not it.
I have no desire, especially after that terrorist attack on Bourbon. That shook me up because we were there like a month before,
Oh yeah, we were.
and yeah, it was just that dude just drove his truck straight through Bourbon.
Yeah.
So we got NQ pushing up without us, and gold coming back down in the range. Lovely.
Yeah, actually, legitimately.
For now, gold is our only hope if we close up above here. So
Yeah, and it's just hard. I don't like. Yes, NQ is so overextended on the 30, but it's like I am not necessary unless we get something right at market open, like to where it's That's about the only time I'll go counter trend because it moves fast enough to
Yeah.
hit TP before it decides to run in whatever direction it's gonna run in.
Mhm.
So, yeah. Because I mean, NQ still has room to go. It's just like, where's it going to? Where's target taps? There, maybe? Yeah, that's probably the best spot. Yeah, that's definitely the best spot for special target taps. Oh, cool. It's 60 pips away.
I'm gonna personally, I'd take this on if we get a closure above, just break out on the
On
15.
gold.
Gold
Yeah.
4 hour has, it's like 30 tick vantage point, but it's better than nothing, you know. I think we keep rallying on gold if we get a closure above and take it off the break of these highs. I think we push up into 52.13. Or we just come back down into the range.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Who knows what we are? Like, dude, these candles are 80 pips. Like, please take restrictions off of gold.
I know.
Which, don't get me wrong, yes, there's sometimes randomly will be like a 200 to 300 pip candle, but like,
Still, that's
for
normal.
them,
Like you're gonna have those random candles that just are more volatile than others, but just up the restrictions. It's kind of getting stupid.
yeah.
But now we're just coming back down into the range, so I don't even want sells in here in this chop. So
Nope.
only thing is NQ closing up the way it did there.
Yeah, I want to wait on the 30.
Yeah, I agree. New York Open.
New York Open.
Back.
Pulling cues moving on down here.
Mm-hmm.
They're shooting off a missile, right? Something there. The whole house is shaking.
Jeez.
Yeah, it shakes the whole house, and like our bedroom door will like just because it's not like sealed or something, and so it'll just be like banging back and forth even though it's closed, and it's just so loud.
What is it? They're launching a missile?
Yeah, I don't know what it is today. Let me see. It's always something. Let's see what this John says. Sure, open in Facebook. SpaceX, a Falcon 9 rocket carrying the Starlink 1726 mission to low Earth orbit between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m.
Huh.
But it's pretty cool because they'll just launch them all the time.
It is pretty cool.
But you get a 930 gold trade.
Yeah.
Wants to come on down.
Good. Up the hour.
Mhm. Where's Jay been in the mornings? Does he have class now?
He's got class. I don't know though. He's dog sitting right now, but
He's always doing something random with someone's dogs.
I know always.
I'm like, Jay, how do you know this many people with dogs?
It's Miss Carrot. It's like she's got all of her girlfriends.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Bro, that's too funny. In Q, I honestly don't hate closures above for an exhaustion play.
Yeah.
21 or 25, 150.
I'm gonna keep my eye on it over here. Um, it's just gonna be tricky with New York Open getting entered in. It's the only thing. But if we get, I mean, if it wants to make a bottom wick quick, come up, fill that wick on the 15.
Yeah.
Um,
New window. Yeah, I really like this wick fill idea here on NQ if it can hold
yeah.
for another minute. I don't know why I say stuff.
I know. Come on, man.
It looks good. There's two closures on two different pairs we got here, Hudson.
Yeah.
I'm more so peeping in Q for me. But deck, uh,
I've
but
got NQ
gold,
pulled up on my other
but
screen.
gold also doesn't look bad too.
Not at all. I just think we're gonna have a really hard time getting entered on NQ unless it wants to make that bottom wick and take its time. Not take its time, but give us at least more than 10 seconds. But I think this could open and just run without us. But gold's more likely to give us time for New York Open. So that's what I'll mainly be looking at to take it down into 5186 there. So see if we get the closure below.
Yeah, I like NQ here too. See if we get a lower wick. Did it run? Yep.
Yeah, it went. See, that's the thing with NQ.
Uh-huh.
So for me, gold right here, if it wants to come up, this is tricky. Why is it doing that? I'll have two set.
Yeah, I like it.
Why does it keep doing that? Maybe
What's this wick looking like? I know it's only 18, but I think if it breaks the lows here, I think it looks good.
dude, I'm going retarded on.
Oh, okay. That just let me in.
Well, I'm trying to
Well,
get entered in here. Did you?
yes, yeah. It pushed mine down, so I didn't get entered in on that. On my XFA, I'm in on my combine.
Stop order executed. Okay, he's gonna let me set take profit stop loss.
No.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna have to enter this manually, but this looks good to come down.
So what you can do is you can set a limit order.
Okay.
So see how you have a buy stop? You can set a limit
Buy limit.
or a buy limit. Sorry, you said a sell stop. You can set a sell limit.
So like a buy limit right here would be.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. And then to set stops here, I'm gonna have to do a buy stop up above.
No. Or yeah, you'll have to do a buy stop.
Yeah. It's not letting me. What in the world is going on, dude? I can't figure this out.
Dang, no whipsaw back down for that bottom wick on NQ. Hudson, right where he has his buy limit.
So I'm gonna have stops on the previous 15 here.
Yeah, that's the only thing with trading view is you gotta like drag it
Dude,
down
it's so confusing.
to you just gotta have TP and stop loss, and that way you can
I'm gonna go to current candle 15 now that we're breaking those lows again.
yeah, I like it. Where do you yeah, you got yours at the bottom of that.
I'm gonna move mine more down a bit just because I need to hit that 200.
It's a lot of pips.
Yeah. I'm trying to find. So I'm more targeting that 15. That level down here on the 15.
Yeah, forget that 98
So,
pips.
there we go, going break even.
100%.
Dude, I can't figure this out, bro.
You just move it to
Gotta
break
get out of
it.
that because I'm about to go past my. Oh, okay. There's a trade. I probably just went past my. Dude, oh my gosh. I probably went past that uh, profit target or went past that 900, so that just pushed me back. Oh, that's frustrating. How much did I get out of that though? Dude, that is. I gotta just sit there and play on trading views some more.
So,
That's a mess.
yes,
And I know you have to set the take profit and stop loss beforehand. Um, and I just didn't get a chance to. But like, golly. And then where? Okay, so I go to this. Well, was he gonna tell me if I?
I hit my first TP. Maybe first TP's hit, profit secured, perfect.
This shit. Sorry, excuse my language.
77.
Good trade. 118 on XFA combine 900. Nice.
Good work.
Yeah, I got 1,000 on the combine there.
Yeah, I was about to close at that, but I took partials and I'll see if I get stopped here at break even.
It's a good trade though. I just needed
Yeah.
that top wick there for a bit. I saw a little bit of drawdown. Okay, so let's try to find this. Orders maybe? Okay. So you're still not going to tell me that my P&L on that.
Maybe you have to go to whatchamacallit.
Dude.
Come on, Goldie, keep milling here for Papa. There we go.
Yeah, it's just going to continue down.
Let me look at structure. I'm thinking a little bit below.
Okay, that's not bad. So P&L, I went $100 over my. So I made 1,067 on that. So I went a little bit over the profit margin. But were y'all able to take that, Cade, Brett, Jacob? Look.
I know I got pushed down, yeah.
Went break even too early and
Hey,
tapped
that's
it.
never a bad thing, to be honest.
No, not at all. Plus 13, nice. Yeah, next time I just have to make sure I get my take profit up and above and set. But I just don't like that. You can't like. So okay, let's come down here. Say we want to, sell stop. Set your take profit first. Boom, boom, boom. Then can you move this? So if I want to move it
Yeah.
up, confirm. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting out there.
Sheesh.
There's 2,000 on the combine. I hate that I wasn't able to get entered in on my XFA, but
Well, you're that much closer to another XFA.
mm-hmm.
So that, what was that, 150K?
Yeah, that was 150K.
Nice.
So
Yeah, that hit my full take profit just where it was at on my 150K right there at
there you go.
on that 15-minute support. I'm sure that's where you're pretty much targeting as well. This level right here.
Yeah.
That's where I got
Yep.
out at on everything.
Yeah, I just had my position brackets enabled. I mean, it looks good here too. Especially with how the 4 hours going. It's just like, did I want to sit in that for a swing trade? Or am I
Right.
good with 2,000 on a combine when 9
Yeah,
grand on
like
target? Like, yeah, I'm good with that. Mark up a win.
right. Get that, balance up. That's just that much closer to that. I know, yeah, it's the 9K, but once you get that 150K locked and loaded, I think my next goal is to rip. It'd be sweet to have 150Ks, and like, having that $4,500 for the drawdown makes that much more of a difference. Because dude, the amount of times we've been in, we've hit that $2,000 worth of drawdown, and then we take 3 wins in a row, and we're back up in profit. You're like, man, if I would have had a thousand more, 2,000 more worth of drawdown, would have saved those accounts. But Kate always hopping on at the right time. He knows.
He sure is. Plus 13. Yeah, hey, break even's never a bad thing. Like, it is risk free. So yeah, sometimes it is frustrating. Like, man, I almost had, or like if I wanted to move break even until you have it hit full stops and you're like, well, I wish I would have gone break even there. And then, so it's also typically once it's like it had broken hour lows, 30-minute, we got volume here. So it's like, yeah, hey, I think it can push down, but if it wants to whipsaw back up and do some crazy New York Open price action, yeah, I don't want to be a part of that. So,
yeah. No, break even was good there. Had it at the flip with a candle, then moved it, tapped it within 10 seconds. Should have just kept it. Yeah. I think you managed that perfectly because that price could have broken those lows, came back up, and instead of just making that top wick, the steeper top wick, and come back down, which happened, and that's still a high probability. It could have, came up and tapped 5208 and continued pushing up, which I think it probably will after tapping that target right there that we had. So that was a good place to exit the trade there. Because I just think we'll reflip on the 4 hour and continue up here on gold. So
yeah, and who knows, maybe not. But either way, we don't need to be right about ultimate direction. We just needed to see those pips, and wow, NQ just juiced.
Oh my gosh, off my screen.
Yeah, no, actually off the screen.
Like, watch this. Watch when I pull this up. Well, I had it set, but when I pulled it up on my other screen, it was just off. Yeah, it's what's so tricky about NQ, man, on
Hey, I love it. Like, I mean, it's
New York Open.
I
Yeah,
love the
if
DI.
you have a chance to get in and it doesn't make that decision to break the highs or lows, it's a high probability of catching a really nice move. So we'll always just keep our eye on. One of these days we're fixing to have enough time to set our buy or sell stop.
Yeah, and how it closed up too, it's like, yeah, hey, it's gonna want to continue bullish. Can we get enough of a bottom wick for
Right,
just a second to pull it down?
right.
Like, but not enough of a bottom wick for New York Open, especially. Because that 9:30 candle is vicious.
Vicious, man.
But
Uh, good
yeah, dude,
deal. I
I had
say
a sniper. I'm not even gonna lie, literally a sniper exit.
I love it.
Like that's insane.
Sniper.
Sniper. Or else I would
Uh,
have been out break even.
but with us taking that trade, we had we still majority of our trades gonna be 8:30 between 8:30 and 9. It is nice when we get it one earlier, but um, I say we just took a good trade and let's hop off, get off the charts and enjoy our day.
Yeah.
Brett, Jacob, I don't know if Jacob got I don't know if you got a chance to get into that. Hudson, it's paying off that you guys keep showing up. I mean, we keep seeing the same faces every morning, early morning. It's easy to show up to Asian session. It's later in the day. You get more chill, but it's tough to get up at the ass crack of dawn, especially when price has been frustrating. So, kudos to you guys for continuing to show up, and being just relentless. And that's what you got to be with this type of stuff. It's just no matter how frustrating it can be sometimes when you're not getting the price action you want, just being relentless and being there when it does happen. So,
Yeah.
it's good stuff.
It'll be. And plus, the more you see the market too, seeing like, okay, hey, this is what a bad market looks like.
Yeah,
Because don't get me wrong, you'll see stuff like you'll see like our other months. We'll have months where it's like we can't do anything wrong, no matter what we do. Like we click buy or sell, market execute, it doesn't matter, and then we're just winning. And so it's always like, oh, well, that play always looks good. It's like, no, this is what a slow market looks like. So be extra picky and yeah, don't be afraid to move those stops to break even if it's maybe a little premature.
right.
So, because preserving capital is the biggest key in this game that we play. So,
Yeah. It's what
so yeah, don't look at, I never look at like either, especially a break-even trade. I never look at it as a loss or like a could have had it. And I honestly don't even look at even losses as like a day ruiner. It's like, cool. Yep, I get to mark up something, gave me more data,
yeah,
and we can go look back at that and compare it from whenever. But
definitely. Yeah, without a doubt. I need to track mine real quick.
yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I want to see how many pips that was, which will be funny this is gonna throw off all the
Yeah.
data. Like I'm gonna put it in chat and be like, hey, what's this or that? And it's gonna be like, well, yeah, you had a lot of pips there.
Yeah.
Or for a little bit. Yeah. But no, that is something that I do wish I would have done. I can't remember. Were you talking about that last
Last
night
night, yeah. Just tracking.
was truly tracking it,
Yeah.
especially here. I mean, we got the whole year laid out for you, and having all that data, like,
Yeah.
because you'll go back in 5 months and be like, dude, what was that
I
when I
know.
took that loss?
Especially when you're just getting hot
Yeah.
and
And
you're
don't
like,
be
oh,
afraid too. Like with y'all, like no one's seeing your trading journal. Your trading journal's private. So it's like, don't be afraid to be like, yeah, I gambled on that one. Let me like I need to mark that up or whatever it may be. Because it's like, hey, mark that up so that you see even wins or losses. Because I know I hate marking up gamble plays.
oh yeah,
I'm like, I just feel dirty,
dirty.
disgusting.
Yeah. I'm gonna call that a 30-minute care package.
Yep, that's what I was calling it.
And yeah, dude, it gets tricky. So I guess I only went. How many contracts on this account did I go?
I went 1.5 contracts. Now, how many pips did I see?
I went 2 contracts. That's right. So 50.
$90 and then 78. 144 pips. Oh, I took it off the 15. Gosh dang it. There. Now my chart's gonna look all janky. Because I'm marking it up late because I marked it on the 15.
Yeah.
And so now look at the 30 where it's like,
Yeah, it's gross looking.
yeah.
I did as well.
Download image. Okay. What did it do?
All right. So we call it going
Yeah.
through our days. So
Yeah.
it's a good trade. Glad y'all were able to be a part of it.
For however, whether, yeah, because it just gives you more experience at managing trades.
Yeah.
So,
No, that's the beauty. Like, you make it through these market conditions. You make it through any market condition. Like, you do need this. You need this in your data, in your trading system. It's easy. When we have a hot month or hot week, anyone can hop on and just close their eyes and click buy or sell when we do, and be profitable. But it's when you truly have to manage is when the skills come to play. So sorry for the little bit of a mess that was going on TradingView. I've got it figured out now, but
which is kind of why we kind of talk about it before too. And everyone's different in how it's like, yeah, hey, we got support down there where we originally had targets, and yeah. And then I was like, all right. And then it's up to your personal preference whether you have it on the break of the 30 highs or current candle or however. But
alrighty.
yeah, all right.
You have a good day.
Sounds good. See you boys tonight. Yeah, for a little bit. Because I got